Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a kitchen supplies Shopify store with Doba Dropshipping. You'll be able to sell pots and pans and all the different things you could use inside of a kitchen, all dropshipping. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But first off, what is dropshipping? Well, it's the best business model on the internet today. You get to sell hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands of different products like kitchen supplies, electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty items, and so many more without ever touching any product. You'll never need to touch inventory. You'll never need to pay for any inventory up front. You'll never have to deal with warehousing or shipping logistics or packaging or any of that annoying stuff. Zero upfront costs, never deal with shipping. That's why dropshipping is so powerful. And it's really all about removing the risk. There's no more risk when you do dropshipping. This is the old way of doing e-commerce, where you'd work with a wholesale supplier, you'd pay for products up front. You'd have to, of course, spend money out of pocket up front. Then you'd have to store those products and ship them yourself. That's the old way. We're not going to do that anymore. The new way, the right way, is to do Shopify dropshipping with Doba. I'm going to show you how in this video. You have your Shopify store. You make your connection to Doba using the Shopify app. You have existing products from Doba's suppliers added into your store, and then customers buy those products just like any other product on any other store. But in the background, after they already pay you the money, Doba steps in and supplies and ships those products to the customer. But the key part is right here, right? We're getting paid before we even have to deal with the product. So the customer pays for the product, then automatically, because we connect with the Doba app, the dropship supplier will go ahead and supply and ship that product out to the customer. It is the perfect way to do business, and this is exactly how to do dropshipping the right way. You see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you inside of the Doba Dropshipping Shopify app, and it literally offers everything that you need to crush it with dropshipping. Simple 4-step process. Number 1, install the Doba Dropshipping app. You see the link directly below this video. Number 2, and I'll show you this over the shoulder, we're going to search for products in our niche, in this case, the kitchen store. Step 3, we're going to choose winning products from or for our store, and then we're going to add them to our store in step 4. Literally just one click to add them into our product list, which then gets sent off over into Shopify automatically. So we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. I'm over here on Doba, and I'm going to show you the big catalog here. And when you sign up, you'll be able to go ahead and look at all these different selections and search. I'm going to show you some of the categories here, but definitely recommend you check out the TikTok shop selections, the high profit selections, and the new arrival sections, especially if you always want to have kind of fresh products before your competition. So you can really spend a lot of time on this site and take a look at the huge catalog. I'm going to show you over here in our case for kitchen. And you see that there's an entire catalog category inside of Doba.com just for kitchen and dining. And literally 80,000, close to 81,000 products that we're going to have access to. Easily find winners in here. So many amazing products, a lot of them based in the US, so you're going to get fast drop shipping as well. And the name of the game is really just to go and spend some time in the catalog. You could do searches, you could filter things like average processing time, new arrivals, on sale, right? Fulfillment rate percentage, refund rate percentage. You could even sort by things like most popular, biggest discount rates, and of course, best sellers. So a lot of different cool ways to take a look at your different products in here. And basically what you want to do is just spend time searching and literally looking through and say, oh, this product looks interesting, this product looks interesting. And anytime you click on a product, you see the product detail page. And this is, for example, a 12-piece dinnerware set, ceramic plates and bowls, right? You see the images. But also down here you see more product imagery. And you see things like the cost, right? This is what it's going to cost you to get this product. And it's based in the New Jersey warehouse. Actually, right over here it says New Jersey, United States. So free shipping. So your total cost is going to be $55 for this product. It's going to ship from the United States, get to your customer within 2 to 7 days. Really, really powerful when it comes to drop shipping, right? You have a huge advantage over ones that only do Chinese-based drop shipping. You have tons and tons of US-based options right over here. And again, you see product title, you see product imagery, you see the product description. Of course, you see the price, so you understand how much it's going to cost you. All this is basically all of the information you'd need to get this product into your store. And you could list a store right over here. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Inventory List. And I'll create a new tag called Kitchen. And basically what you want to do is spend some time, right? Let's add products into our inventory list, because this means we're going to have a one-click setup to have tons and tons of great products that we've hand selected to go into our kitchen store. Right? You want to build an amazing store with tons of winning products, literally just spend some time and go ahead and keep adding different products over here. This one's only $7.90, $13.69, free shipping. Looks like a different price if you pick it up could be even cheaper. So we have that over there, and we could even do higher end products like a farmhouse sink. Go ahead and add this into our inventory list. And when you're building a store, especially on Shopify, especially drop shipping on Shopify, you want to constantly be adding new products into your store. And it's really just taking us a couple of minutes. I'm adding all these cool products into my inventory list. And actually everything that we've clicked so far has shipped out of the US. So you're going to have that fast shipping. You're going to have that really, really happy customer, the positive reviews, and the ability to kind of build that long-term brand. So we could even take a look at something like this on the lower end, right? Only $6. Different setups over here, different variants for the mugs, and we could add it to our inventory list. And let's say we go through here, and it's also from the US, right? Shipped from the United States. So when we're ready to start connecting products to our store, we'll go actually look at our inventory list. This is inside of our Doba account under My Products inventory list. And because we've already connected our store, right, in our store section, I've connected my Shopify store. You do this when you install the app, right? You'll do that when you sign up. You have the inventory list now basically one click away from listing to store. All of these different kitchen products, see we've tagged them here. And let's say, how about we go with something, pretty, I think pretty much anyone could buy that has a house or an apartment, right? 19-piece pot and pan set. We'll go ahead and click this over here. And you can do multiple at once if you wanted to add multiples, but we'll just show you one at a time. Do this one right here and click List to Store. Again, I've already installed the app, so my store is connected, so I'll select that store. Now what we need to do is basically create a title, and I'm going to have AI do it for me. Doba has integrated AI pretty much throughout all of this process, so you could have, let's say in this case, selecting this title, it automatically replaces it. We could set up collections and connect them to our Shopify store. We could have descriptions here, and you see this is automatically grabbing it from the product description page that Doba features for every product they have. You could add more if you want, add anything you want, right? Just customize it. You could use AI to build a bigger description. Let's say you don't want to have this bullet point, no problem. You could just remove it. Maybe you want to bold and italicize that. Couldn't be any easier. Variants you see over here, there's only one variant here, but other options would be something like t-shirts where there might be small, medium, large, etc., right? So you have all those different types of variants. In this case, we just have that one variant, right? The 19-piece set in black. So we'll come over here and we have our price, $92.14, free shipping. So the cost for us is $92.14. So we need to charge obviously more. I typically like to double it and then bring it to a nice round number, something like $199 over here, or maybe $189 for this product, making $97 every single time we sell it. Right? We could even go down and make it a really good price, like a steal over here, $149, and you're still making $57 every time. We also have the ability to select, or in this case, deselect images. Let's say for some reason we didn't want to show this one, you don't need to. And once we have everything ready, we just click List Now. And there's no copy and pasting, there's no right click and saving images, there's no going back and forth. This product right here is going to get added into my Shopify store. The actual Shopify product is being created with all of the details that we set here. So this complete 19-piece set now going to be a product inside of our Shopify store. And because we've added it inside of the Doba app and inside of our account, everything that happens from here on out will be automated. So someone comes in the store and orders this product, automatically going to be fulfilled by Doba. All we need to do is sit back, relax, and collect our profit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this product in my store right now. Okay, and here it is. We have our complete 19-piece black granite induction cookware set, right? That's actually the AI title that we created inside of the app. We set that really great price at $149.99. We're still making really healthy profit. And you see we have all the different images here as well. So the images here are nice high quality, really big images, take up the whole screen when you click on them. So really great quality here. And look at the description, right? We bolted this, we removed some stuff, we changed things around. Really a great way to build trust when you're doing drop shipping is have great product descriptions. And Doba does a great job. They literally do it all for you. It's just literally waiting for you to add it to your store. It couldn't be any easier here. So, let's say someone comes to your store and they say, hey, I want this. They go and add this product to cart, right? And they go ahead and they check out, right? Once they pay for this product, you'll collect, in this case, $149.99. But remember, it only costs you $92. You're collecting that difference in profit. And then there's nothing else for you to do because it's all integrated now. Doba will then pack this product up, package it up all nice, print out a shipping label, send it off to your customer. They'll even send the tracking information to your customer on your behalf. You don't need to do anything. That's how dropshipping is done the right way. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store, add them. Everything's automated, literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba, so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive drop shipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.